All right, let's say you're looking for a beautiful little park model for sale built by the Amish. This one's got about a 412 pitch on it. Got that metal siding on it, white windows, Anderson windows, double pane, easy clean. Let me open this up and take you all inside real quick. Big step up. And again, there you go. Open concept. Got a spot there for your stove, refrigerator. I like that color blue. Got your open concept living room over here. White birch walls, LED lights, all kinds of window light coming in. Go on to the back. Got your full walk-in shower, your commode, mirror, and then of course you got your bedroom here in the back. Got a spot for your stackable washer. This one's been sold, so we got everything kind of broken apart right now, ready to ship. You got your closet over here. I just wanted to make, there's your 20-gallon water heater, master bedroom. Just wanted to make a quick video real fast before they ship it off. Amish were nice enough to let me videotape it for us real quick. So again, just looking for a small home for your land. We can either build this on skids, or we can build it just like you see it here on a trailer where you can pull it around where you need it to go. Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin or park model out on your land. Okay? Again, that's 812-595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day. Come back and see us. All right, guys, we got another beautiful park model. Again, we got that beautiful premium ribbed metal siding with the cedar trim on the front. You can see on the end here, you got your Bosch mini split. This one is set up as a 1-bed, 1-bath. Customer order here. This one's getting ready to ship out, so I wanted to make a quick video real fast of it before it ships out. This one's got something pretty unique in it that you guys have not seen before. You can see they got it all taped up so the doors don't open up during transportation. But look what we got here in this corner. It's got a little mini fireplace right there in the corner. It goes right out the top. Isn't that cool? Little mini wood burning stove or pellet stove. You got your Bosch mini split. Again, this is where your living room is going to be. Nice open concept. You got your quartz countertops, 4-burner stove, General Electric appliances. You got your refrigerator. Spot here for your clothes. You hang up your jackets. Go down the hallway, open this up, and again, we're getting ready to ship it, so we got it all taped off because this has been sold. So that way everything doesn't swing open during transportation, but as you can see, you get the toilet seat taped down there on the ground. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Over here, you got a closet down in the hallway. And last but not least, look at those nice big open sliding doors. You got your built-in. That'll fit a queen size bed, closet space on the bottom. Just beautiful. All kinds of cabinet space. There's your electrical panel. There is your Bosch mini split. And there's huge windows. Again, Anderson double pane windows. Lots of storage. I just love those sliders at the end. All that natural light coming in. You can build a little porch off the end of that. And again, just a beautiful park model RV. Give us a call, guys. 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you are interested in purchasing a beautiful Amish built park model from us. Long haul down here. Jump down. Let me show you the outside of it one last time. And isn't that pretty? Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin out on your land. Okay, we are AmishBuiltCabins.com.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so relaxed. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinet. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just show, and this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim.